Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, we're going to draw Inky, the octopus from our story yesterday. So, remember, you start out with your pencil. You're going to have your paper and your pencil. All right. And then after you draw it, because you can erase with your pencil. If you use your marker, you can't erase. So you need to start with a pencil. I have a black sharp marker so that you can see it, but I have a dry erase board so I can wipe mine off if I mess up, which I probably will, but it's like it's a pencil. All right. And then we're going to draw Inky. And then you're going to get to color it, okay? I have one finished so that it's kind of done for you. And so turn your paper horizontal, okay? That's sideways, all right? And we're going to start out, and remember, I'm not the best. So we're going to kind of start in the middle, and we're going to make the head kind of come around like a upside down U. Okay? Now, how many legs does an octopus have? 8. So we're going to try to get in 8 legs. They may be a little, you might have to skip, and you pay attention when we skip over one, okay? Because we're going to do that. So then we're going to come right here, and we're going to make a leg come up and make it come around just like this. Okay? Looks like a kid waving, doesn't it? All right. Now then we're going to come down, and we're going to kind of like make a knee. We'll make it come around, and we're going to kind of make them curve. And a leg, and then we're going to come right back up beside it, okay, so that makes a leg, okay? It's a wild leg there, isn't it? All right, now then, we're going to come on around almost like a smiley face, or do your lips, okay? So we're going to make it kind of come around. And then we're going to make another curve around leg. Want to keep them about even. I got a little wide on that one, didn't I? All right. And we're going to bring that in. And then we're going to take this back out. Like so. And kind of hook that, okay? So in that right there, we're going to put an eye. Finish that little circle. We're going to draw a little line there and a little line there, and we'll fill this in black. Okay, you don't have to do it with your pencil, because you'll do it when you get your marker and come in. I'm just trying to show you. All right, and you're going to come over here to this other side, and you're going to make a circle. And then you're going to make a circle within the circle. And then you're going to make a little circle there. And you want to make sure that when you are filling this one in, that you keep that little white circle white. Okay, don't color in it. So that I'm just showing you. You don't have to do it with your pencil. All right, now how many legs do we have so far? Or tentacles? We have 4. So we've got to make 4 more. So we're going to make one come around up here at the top. How's that? We're going to make this one a little fun. We're going to twirl it around and make it come back. How's that? See that? All right. Now we have how many? 6. So now we're going to take this one and we're going to just go to the other tentacle, okay? And we're going to skip and it's going to come out over here. And we're going to make it like that. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side and 3 on this side. So we need one more, don't we? So we're going to, let's go right here. And let's go to that tentacle and stop. And then we're going to make it come out over here and head up and around. How's that? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tentacles. You like yours? How does yours look? All right. Now you want to make some little bubbles on the top. Just little. They don't have to be very big. You can make them whatever color. Because, we're going to do the background what color? That's right. We're going to do it blue because it's in the water. Okay? So you're going to do that blue. You can put little green tentacles or little green bubbles. Yellow. Whatever color you want. All right. What's missing? That's right. I love your answer. The suction cups. So we got to put some suction cups on here. Just make little round circles. Because then you're going to have to use your white colored pencil or white crayon and color those white. Make a few suction cups. And then you're going to make some at the bottom. You just make little U's where they can kind of suck on. Just put a few. You don't have to do the all of the tentacle, okay? You can just put them here and there, wherever you choose, as your liking. Okay, and then you'll do the other side as well. Okay? I can't wait for you to share with me your octopus. All right? I'm going to put mine right here that I've already done. And, okay, so now once that you've got your pencil finished with your tentacles and your suction cups, then you're going to get your marker. And boys and girls, it's very gentle with the marker. Don't mash down and stay on the line. It takes longer to trace because you have to stay on the line. So make sure you stay on your pencil line, okay? And then once you've got your marker finished, then you can start coloring, okay? I'm going to leave mine right here. My teachers or whoever can stop the video so that you can see how that helps you. All right? And make sure you always autograph with your marker. All right? Because it's your art. Autograph it. Somebody might buy it. That's right. Always autograph your art. All right. I can't wait to see your picture. Okay? Please share with me in the comments. Teachers, take a picture and share with me some of them. And make sure you only have your first name if you on your autograph. Or if you put your first and last name, we can cover that up. All right? So that it's not out in the world. All right? I hope you enjoyed our octopus drawing today. And hang them up. Be proud of it. Put it on your fridge. And most important, use one of those tentacles you have And give somebody a big old hug and tell them you love them. Thumbs up.